Imagine, is this what it looks like when you go to bed? Somebody laying next to your partner and they sound like a chainsaw, without the muffler on it, or a bad motorboat. But how about if it was this? Just this blissful hell. Oh, one more time, Veronica, that's what it's going to be like. Veronica Murillo, sleep technician from Premier Sleep, is here, and that is possible to get a good night's sleep like that, right?
Definitely is.
What is the root cause of the bad night's sleep and the snoring?
So what happens is sleep apnea. It contributes to the snoring, and a lot of people snore, but then not a lot of people have sleep apnea. So we want to find out if there's something more serious going on. If you have loud snoring, your partner snoring next to you.
Okay, and this model right here, now this would be the side of the face, and obviously this is face up, but it would be lying back, and this is where the airway is blocked on this side. Let me show you this one first, right there, and where the tongue falls back in the throat. Is that where it happens?
Yes, that's a collapsed airway.
Okay,
and then the way we want it to look is all the time is this open airway.
So you can get a nice breath right in there.
Exactly.
And the device that does it, now, you've seen the things they refer to as the alien?
Yeah, the mask.
The mask that comes on your face. And
very cumbersome. A lot of people are not wearing those. They just put them under their bed. It's very uncomfortable. If you toss and turn, you can't wear it all night. So for those patients with mild to moderate, we have an alternative.
So how does this thing work? I see some bars on there and everything.
Yeah, so what it does is we take custom fit impressions and it anchors to your teeth and it brings that lower jaw forward. By bringing that lower jaw forward, it keeps that tongue from falling back and prevents it from collapsing.
So as you put this in, and then you can adjust that so you're going to be sleeping like that sometimes?
Yeah, we'll be adjusting it. Now, everybody has a different protrusion.
Okay.
So we adjust it to your comfort, your level of comfort. And when your wife or your husband is telling us, oh my gosh, I'm getting the best night's sleep, and so is my husband, and that's when we're ready for a final sleep study.
What does putting your jaw forward like that do?
It keeps that airway open. So if you look at the model that we have here, by bringing that lower jaw forward, if you see it off to the side, you see how it's keeping that.
So this right here, let's get it above that banner right there.
There you go.
This is how far forward your jaw would be compared to when it's kind of thrown back a little bit. Okay.
Exactly.
And then that takes the tongue and pulls it forward?
That brings that jaw forward, and it keeps that airway from collapsing. Exactly.
Oh, so, and like you said, you have to come in for fittings.
A custom fit impression, yeah, so it fits you perfectly because we take impressions of your teeth.
And then ongoing, it's like, well, I didn't sleep great last night. Let's try and adjust it a little bit.
Exactly. Every 2 weeks, we follow up with you until we get where we want to get you.
Insurance covers it?
Most insurances do cover it, as well as Medicare. All
right. And then what do patients say after switching to something like this?
I have patients who have suffered for 18 years with a CPAP. They are just not comfortable. They come into my office. They love it.
Special going on today?
We do. The first 25 callers will receive a free consultation. It's a $200 value.
Oh, wow. Okay. If you would like that, I mean, because nothing like a good night's sleep, and snoring, you don't get a good night's sleep with it. Call 210-598-8200. That's 210-598, or visit online stopsnoringtexas.com.